This video explains how to record transactions for a Shopify business, whether you're running a dropshipping model or managing your own inventory in QuickBooks Online. Typically, we rely on the totals from the Shopify Sales Over Time report, often grouped by week or a few days. However, the details behind each transaction can be unclear. This video series will walk you through common scenarios, helping Shopify business owners and bookkeepers accurately record journal entries in QuickBooks Online.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Francis Labang, the remote office mate. This is the third video in the series of Shopify sales transactions in QuickBooks Online. On the previous video, we record the sales revenue, cost of sales, and the payout. And we even attempted to track the actual sales transactions in Shopify sales over time. For today's video, we will focus on Stripes. So come on, let's go to QuickBooks Online. So now we are in QuickBooks Online. Let's go to balance sheet. Let's delete the previous transactions about the actual sales transactions in QuickBooks Online. The actual Shopify sales transactions. Let's click here. Let's refresh again. So let's click here the cash. And let's delete this one. This is the actual sales. So let's delete. Delete. Let's go back to balance sheet. Refresh again. Now we have the account receivable here. Let's delete this also. Because this is the actual sales. Let's click here. There you have it. This is really the actual sales from the sales over time in QuickBooks Online. I'm in Shopify. So we have the discount. Sometimes the discounts we will put it here. So for this setup, I put it here. Shopify income. And then this is all about the Shopify's. So this is not about PayPal, Shopify payment gateway, about PayPal or Stripes. This is all about the Shopify payments. So let's delete this one. Let's go back to balance sheet and refresh. Now let's start from here and we will end up here. Let's book these transactions. This is all about Stripes. So let's go here. And then let's go to chart of account. This one. Click new. First, before we will type first here sales. This one. This income and sales product. Sales of products. Click new. Then copy this one. So this is an income here. Let's copy this one. And then products. then click here, then this is sales. There you go. So save. Now let's go to uh, shipping shipping income. Let's type here shipping, this one. So let's click here, new, and here this is other income, then miscellaneous. There's no other term here that really fits the Shopify income, so I choose the miscellaneous, other miscellaneous income. So save. So next, this one, stripes, fees, Shopify fees. Let's type Shopify fees. There you have it. So click new, stripes, then this is expenses, and here I cannot, once again, I cannot find any account that really describe the Shopify fees. So I choose again the other miscellaneous and service costs. Click here, then let's check. Let's check the Shopify. I think there you have it. This one is other business expense. This one, and save. There you have it. Then this one is the payment gateway fees, stripes. So this is an expense. Same thing also with your other, this one. Then let's click here, then save. Now let's go to product and services, sales, and product and services. So no, let's go to invoice, directly to invoice. So here, let's make another new customer name, and this is for stripes. These are all customer for stripes. Save. Then the date is January, let's say January 6. Then here, product and services, let's click here and add new. So click this one, As you can see, I still use the same account title. Then here, this is non-inventory category. This is stripes. Save. And then here is the sales revenue. This one. So as you can see, same account title, same with this one. So save and close. And the amount is 10,400. 10,400. There you have it. So next, add new again. Then this is the stripes shipping. Non-inventory again. And this is, I don't know why we cannot see the stripe here. We need to refresh. So if we need to refresh, we do it again, and then again here. So let's just leave it. And then here, this shipping. Let's type shipping, this one, stripes. Then save and close. The amount is 5,000, this one, 520. 520. Then next is the tax. The tax, this one. Then here is 800. So next is the Shopify. Let's add new Shopify fee, then dash stripes. Then here is non-inventory. Then here, uh, let's type piece, this one, and save and close. The amount is 350, so we will make it negative 350. Next is the gateway. Add again. Let's copy this one, put it here. And here is non-inventory again. And then here is, let's type gate, this one. Then save. So this is negative, uh, negative 209.90. So the net, receivable is 11,800, 11,080 rather. So let's compute here. So that is 11,080. So before we save that one, let's go here. Let's add reports, standard, and then here is the customer. Let's type here aging AR, detailed. And here we have now the Stripe. If we click here, no transaction yet because we haven't paused this yet. There you have it, no transactions. So Let's pause this one, save and close. The invoice number is 103. So here we will have the amount here as well as in sales tax, this one. Refresh. Same thing with income. This will be added by 10,400. So this is become 46,000, 46,900, something like that. Then here, let's refresh. Since no line items, same thing with here. As you can see now, we have this amount, 11,080. Account receivable, about this one. There you have it, 1,080, 1180. And here, there you have it, the stripes. This is the stripe is 10,004, this one. And then the stripe about the gateway, 290. And stripe Shopify fees stripe is 350. So here in aging, you will have the line items now, that which the transaction that we just posted, this one. And here we have it here now. So let's click this one. So we have an open items of 11,080. Same thing with the overdue, this one. So next, we already booked this one up to here. So next, the payout. So let's go here, receive payment, this one. Click here, then Stripe customer. Then the date is 6. Okay, let's just pretend that, let's just say it's 6 also. Then click here. Then that's all. We need to save and close this one. So here, this one will become 0 and this will become 23,080. So refresh, nothing happened here. This one, refresh, and here, refresh. Now you can see the 23,080, the receivable is 0 now, and the tax payable is still there because we haven't paid it yet. So nothing happened here. Here, there's no line items anymore because we already collected. Same thing with here, it's already 0 because we already collected. So next, cost of goods sold. So click here, then fill. Let's just say let's just say same supplier or vendor. So click here, same date, cost of goods sold. This is a Shopify. So let's change that one And then same thing, COGS, cost of goods, cost of goods sold. Then here, uh, stripes. Here is cost of goods sold. Let's go to balance sheet. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Then this is supply and material. Cost of goods sold. This one. There you have it. Then see, and the amount is 6,500. 6,500. There you have it. 6,500. Save and close. So let's open a new one for supplier, vendor, and then also the reports. So let's refresh this one. Same thing with this one. Nothing happened here. Nothing happened here. So now we have accounts payable. Let's go to accounts payable. This one is 6,500. This one 6,500. Then here, there you have it. The cost of sales, stripes, 6,500. And the sales is 10,004. Then here, vendor, we have an open items of 6,500. Let's click this one here. Aging, let's type aging, and this is payables. There you have it. You have a line items, one line items of our supplier, which is the cost of goods sold is 6,500. And here, this is this one, 6,500. So now next, we are going to pay the accounts payable. So click here, then pay bill. Let's just click this one here, change the cash. There you have it. We have a balance of 23,080. So we're going to pay the $6,500. Save and close. Here in the balance sheet, this will become 0, and this will become less 6,500. And that will be refresh. Here in the income statement, nothing happened there. Account receivable, nothing happened here. This one will become 0, no more line items. Refresh. This is a customer, nothing happened here. because the transactions is about vendor. So here, this two amounts will become 0. Refresh. Let's go back to balance sheet. There you have it. From 23 it becomes 16,000 and the accounts payable is 0. So AP aging, now it's not again. I think the date again. It's already 0, but here in the AP aging. So let's go back to the transaction that we just posted, the pay bill. So let's change the date to January 6 and save and close. Yes. Refresh. Now it will become no more line items. So let's go back. So next we will pay the tax. This one, $800. So let's go here. Expense. Then tax. And this one is, the amount is $800. There you have it. The date is equal, yes. Save and close. So here, this will become 0. Refresh. And then AR aging, no more. Expense, this one, tax, will become 0 also because we already recorded the sales. This one, it's already reflected. So nothing happened here. So that's it for today's video. It's all about Stripe. We record the sales revenue, the cost of sales, the payout, and we even pay the supplier or the vendor. So if you learned something from it, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, make some comments, and see you on the next video. Bye!